Hey everyone, my name is David, and it's that time of week when we take a closer look at some of the questions that you all have left in the comments of our YouTube channel. This week's question: how do I get more followers on Instagram? This is a great question. Instagram is extremely important for e-commerce businesses, in part because Instagram users are more willing to engage companies on Instagram than on, say, Facebook. More than 2/3 of Instagram users regularly engage with brands, which is more than twice as much as Facebook. Of course, there's a lot of noise out there, and trying to get noticed can, at times, drive you a bit crazy. So, in this video, we're going to share 10 powerful ways to stand out and get more followers on Instagram. Number 1, make sure your profile is consistent. What does that mean? Well, before people follow you, they want to know what to expect from your account in the future. So consistency is key. First, make sure that your posts are relevant for your niche. For example, if you sell sports equipment, you want to post photos of sporty things like people working out and motivational quotes. Also, make sure your photos are stylistically similar. Ideally, you want to develop your own identity, but if you're just getting started, the best thing to do is choose a filter and stick to it. This will help people identify your account as it passes by in their feed. Number 2, hashtag like crazy. Data shows that images with 11 or more hashtags perform the best. You want a hashtag that's popular, but not oversaturated, so that your image still has a chance of getting noticed. Search for accounts similar to yours to find great hashtags, or download a hashtag app like Focal Mark. With this app, you can input the content of your photo that you're posting, and the app will generate useful hashtags around the topic. Still, a caption full of hashtags can look a bit messy, so it's best to share your post and then paste your hashtags in the post comments. Number 3, get as much engagement as possible, as quickly as possible. The more engagement that your post gets, the more likely it is that Instagram's algorithm will share it with more people. Ideally, you want to reach the top 9 photos for one of your hashtags. Why 9? Well, every hashtag has 9 posts at the top of the hashtag feed. These are the most popular posts for that hashtag at that moment. If you can get your photo into one of these top positions, it's going to be seen by a lot of people. Another way to boost engagement is to reply to as many of the comments on your post as you can. When you reply to every comment, you double the amount of comments on your photo and signal to Instagram that people are engaged. Number 4, tag your post's location. Why? Posts with a location get 79% more engagement. Also, people browsing posts in your location might come across your photo and decide to follow you. Number 5, post often. Ideally, you want to post at least a couple times a day. Data suggests that there really isn't a limit on how often you should post on Instagram. So it's best to post as much as you can while still maintaining quality. However often you post, just be sure to keep your posting schedule consistent. Also, you can use analytics to find the best times of day to post your photos for maximum engagement. You can do this by using the insights that come with Instagram. Or if you don't have a pro or business account, you can use an app like Prime to analyze your account. Number 6, try to have an active Instagram story at all times. Stories appear on the Instagram Explore page and in the stories for different locations and hashtags, so people who don't follow you can still find and watch your stories. And if they like what they see, that might be your newest follower. To get your story to appear in a public feed, just remember to add a hashtag and a location. Also, stories are awesome for getting new followers during events like a concert, national holiday, or sporting event, because that's when people are most invested in keeping up with what's happening in real time. Number 7, create good captions. Is your business witty, inspirational, practical? Fill your captions with personality. Another way to increase engagement is to ask your followers questions or have some sort of call to action in your caption. You might say, share your thoughts in the comments, or what do you think? Groundbreaking? No, but that might be enough to get somebody to engage and follow. Number 8, engage with other people in your niche. Find other accounts who post pictures that are relevant to your store and follow them and interact with their content. It's the most natural way to draw attention to your own account. Also, try to only follow and interact with other accounts in your niche. The reason is, Instagram will associate your account with those other accounts. Then, when somebody follows a similar account to yours, Instagram might show your account in the related accounts to follow. So, if you want to follow your friends and family on Instagram as well, it's best to set up a separate personal account. Number 9, promote your Instagram account on other channels. You can optimize your account all day and try to hack the Instagram algorithm, but it might be easiest to promote your account on other platforms. Be sure to share your Instagram pictures on your other social media channels and use them on your blog. Link to your Instagram account from your email. Every little bit helps. And finally, number 10, Use paid ads to find new Instagram followers. All you need to get started is a Facebook ads account. Then you simply add your Instagram channel to the account from the Facebook Business Manager. Instagram automatically pulls in a similar audience to target, or you can create your own audience inside the app. Just make sure that you set up the goal of the ad to profile visits. Then share an Instagram post like normal and hit the promote button. These promoted posts will appear in your target audience's feeds along with other posts from the other accounts they follow. The only difference, besides the fact that you're paying money, is that the post will have the word sponsored above the image, as well as a call to action button below. Okay, that brings us to the end of our 10 tips for getting more Instagram followers. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. I'm checking the questions all the time, and I'll get back with you if there's something that you would like to know. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And until next time, happy dropshipping.